Beautiful. Well, this is my first ride into the spring. First ride after spring equinox, I think. I got out Saturday. What was that Friday? What was that Saturday? Oh shit. I don't even know. I think it was Saturday. Anyway, yeah, oh, it was Saturday. Did the reptile show. Rode to the reptile show, then rode around. I think that was spring equinox that day. Dude, that's still so crazy. So the weather has vastly improved. Loving it. My mood has really improved. Loving it. Spring is here. Mr. G's is open. Woohoo! I gotta get me some ice cream. Riders. So many riders I missed. Hey now. Taking it, man. Love the ride. What a ride. Gotta be riding. Woo. Whoa! Catching a light. I'm telling you, that place is loaded with candy. All kinds of good candy, all kinds of cool stuff. So it is March 22nd. We'll try that again. Monday. Ooh, cigars, food. It's like a freaking raceway. Just gotta take your time. No reason to fly around. Use your turn signal. Be polite. Everything goes smooth. Whoop. Look at that. Giddy up. They get the horses out. Flipping up the ponies when the tricks pass by. So yeah, this is typical. You know, nothing really happening just yet. Mr. G's got some stuff going on. Hey, rider. Cone Sweet Cone. They are open. Open for ice cream. Oh, what was that? A new noodle place or something. Looks like it opened up in the Avenue Diner. That'll be interesting. Looking forward to that. I think it's Thai. 82 Coffee. That is the place to go for coffee. Tommy's. Meh. Yeah, one day I'll get over it. Supposedly, I don't know, maybe the asshole that was there may no longer be there. I like their food previous to a little incident we had there. DQ Blessing, very good food. ABC. outside dining going on. Friendly's is open again. Not a real big fan, but and McDonald's. You know, 1 minute they're open or closed, or open or closed. I mean, drive-thru's always open, but they're lobby, so I plan on going there to use the restroom right now. Hey, so here we are again, the high water. Copse of trees, the angle right back there. Confederate line over here. There's the Pennsylvania Monument. Maybe we should go on the battlefield today, give it a little spin. I haven't done it yet this year, but we haven't had any good rain just yet to clean the roads off. So there's a little bit of concern there. Not that they ever treat the roads here, but you know, usually just want a good rain to clear the road. There's been lots and lots of traffic this past weekend, since it was like the first weekend that we had a nice long day. The sun stayed up late. Battlefield was packed. It was crazy. Crazy. Happy people everywhere. Enjoying the weather, enjoying the longer days. You know, spring is here. People are happy, getting over this funk, getting out and about again. Lugging it.